The NE555 Astable Interactive Calculator helps you design and analyze astable multivibrator circuits using the popular 555 timer IC. Let me show you the input fields. First, we have a calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options. Calculate frequency from R1, R2, C. Calculate duty cycle from R1, R2. Calculate R2 from frequency R1C. Calculate C from frequency R1, R2. Calculate R1 from duty cycle R2. And design component values from F and duty. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate frequency from R1, R2, C. Next, enter your component values. R1 in ohms, R2 in ohms, C in microfarads, plus frequency in hertz, duty cycle as a percentage between 50 and 99, and VCC in volts. Let's work through an example. I'll enter R1 as 10,000 ohms, R2 as 68,000 ohms, C as 0.1 microfarads, and VCC as 5 volts. After clicking Calculate, here are the results. The actual frequency is 98.836 Hz, with a duty cycle of 53.42%. Phi measures 5405.400 microseconds, while T low is 4712.400 microseconds, giving us a total period of 1117.800 microseconds. The calculator confirms our R1 value at 10.00 kiloohms, R2 value at 68.00 kiloohms, and C value at 0.1000 microfarads, with a status showing valid astable configuration. This tool streamlines your 555 timer design process. Find the link in the description below.